Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat tab load issue. So first you just need to go into your settings and then I want you to look up for apps. So let's scroll down until we see apps. Alright, the apps option is right here. So click on it and then I want you to select manage apps, the second one. So let's click on manage apps and then let's search for, or on the search bar let's type Snapchat. Alright, this is Snapchat. Click on it and then go into clear data and click on it. It's below. Alright, once we clicked on clear data, there are two options appear to us. We will choose clear cache. Alright, and then once you click on clear cache, click on OK. So once you do these steps, that issue will be fixed, and you can reconnect to your Snapchat app. You can open it in a normal way, and you will find that this tap to load issue has disappeared, and that will work with you 100%. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.